So, good morning again. This is your boy Andrew. Once more, doing some cleaning on this location. If you guys remember the video that I did about cleaning this property, I did it inside. I might have some time to show you inside what I did. I did the garage yesterday. So what's in the garage is for stuff to dump. So I'm just showing you outside your look. So my focus today is taking up the garbage and hopefully cut the grass today. So this would be what I'm focusing on today to get done. So I'm just walking through. The ground is pretty much wet because rain has been falling regular. So the place doesn't get the opportunity to dry. So my focus is to get this thing packaged up and the garbage clean up and pack for Monday that we can dump it. So guys, this is what I'm working with today. So I'm just giving you guys a look of what I will be up to today. So it's got this lawnmower. I don't know if they're working. Hopefully they're working and I can get to cut the grasses. So yes guys, so just showing you guys what I'll be doing. Okay, so yes guys, just to show you a quick preview how this morning was. This is the finished product. Just give you a walkthrough. So all of these is garbage. This is how I pile them up here. So I'll get a truck Monday to move them. So I'm just giving you. So how life is. The yard was dirty. This kid didn't come and play in the yard. But as the yard is clean, they come to play. Alright. They're the ones who dirty it up, So just give you a good look, guys. This is the finished product. How the yard look from this morning till how it was. Yep. Finished product, guys. So all of these things that here they have to dump. Not those, but mostly the irons and those stuff they dump it. So this is how the product is. Look guys, clean. Cater of Edmonton Spark Fix House Cleaning. A job well done, guys. This is the yard. Further down the road, I will get to show you inside one of these guys. But yeah, garage clean, basement clean, and a fully job is done for today, guys. Yep.